Hello children, in this video let us see, without constructing the graph, how can we know that a pair of linear equation has unique solution or no solution or infinitely many solution. So before that, let me recollect or let me recapitulate the last year concept, that is the standard form of a linear equation. What is that? You know, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If I write a linear equation, that is 2x minus 3y equal to 5, now we can write it in this standard form, or that may be written as 2x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Now by comparing these two equations, we can say now your a, that is coefficient of x equal to 2, b, that is coefficient of y equal to minus 3, and c, that is the constant number present here, that is minus 5. Now let us take a pair of linear equation and then let us come to our conclusion, that what we want to discuss in this video. For that I am taking a pair of linear equation. Pair of linear equation, suppose I write here, suppose I write 2x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. And another equation, suppose I am taking x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. Now we have two equations. Suppose in this equation, what is your a1? a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to minus 3, and c1 equal to minus 5. Similarly, in this equation, this is the second equation, so let us take a2 as 1, b2 as 4, and c2, that is equal to 2. Now let us take the ratio of a1 by a2. So here a1 by a2, that is 2 by 1, and b1 by b2, b1 by b2, that is equal to minus 3 by 4. So here we find that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So here we found that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Why? Because a1 by a2 is 2 by 1, b1 by b2 equal to minus 3 by 4. So these two are not equal. So if in a pair of linear equation a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then you conclude that this pair of linear equation has unique solution. Unique solution. Now let me go for the second pair of equation. Suppose I write another pair of equation. One is your x plus 2y plus suppose 7 equal to 0, and 2x plus 4y plus 11 equal to 0. Similarly here a1 equal to 1, a2 equal to 2, b1 equal to 2, and c1 equal to 7. a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to 4, c2 equal to 11. Now let us take the ratio of a1 by a2, that is 1 by 2, and b1 by b2, that is also 2 by 4, which is also 1 by 2. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Again c1 by c2, that is your 7 by 11. So here we found that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. These two are equal, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, but that is not equal to c1 by c2. So by comparing the coefficients of this pair of linear equation, we have found that a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 1 by 2, but c1 by c2 is not equal to 1 by 2. So we conclude this, or from whenever the condition comes like this, in that case the pair of linear equation, they have no solution, no solution. That means in this case, if we draw the graph, definitely they will be intersecting line. But in this case, if you draw the graph of these two equations, they are your parallel line, no solution. Now I am showing the third case. I am taking another pair of equations, that is 2x, suppose 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, and 6x plus 9y plus 15 equal to 0 also. So here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 15, a2 6, b2 9 and c2 15. Now a1 by a2, that is 1 by 3, b1 by b2, again 1 by 3 because 3 by 9, and c1 by c2 also, that is 1 by 3 because 5 by 15 is 1 by 3. So here we conclude that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So by comparing the coefficient of these two linear equations, if we found that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, in that case they have infinite number of, or infinitely many solutions, infinitely many solutions. So, or we can say the graph of these two lines will be coincident line. Again, another point I want to tell you that whenever a pair of linear equation has solutions, may be unique, may be infinitely many, in that case they are known as your consistent pair of linear equations. Consistent pair of linear equation, consistent pair of linear equation. And whenever they have no solution, they are your inconsistent pair of linear equation. So what we concluded here, whenever a pair of linear equation, they have some solution, may be unique, may be infinitely many. Those pair of linear equation, they are consistent in nature. And whenever they don't have any solution like this one, that is known as your inconsistent pair of linear equation. Now again, this infinitely many, whenever they have infinitely many solutions, they are consistent in nature, but again we say they are dependent pair of linear equation, dependent, and this is independent pair of linear equation. These two, they are consistent in nature, but they are independent pair of linear equation, and here they are dependent pair of linear equation. So this much for today. Okay, bye. This much only.